Are you sure you don't want to go see the chickens?
Yes, I'm sure.
No, Phil.
No. No.
Come on.
No.
Come on.
No.
Looky, no, they're there. Chickens! Oh God. See, Megan, look how cute they are.
You're looking at me.
You gotta talk to them. Watch him. Stick your finger in it. Oh God. I'm afraid it's gonna peck my finger.
Let it pick it.
No! I'm scared. Oh, got it. You gotta move your finger away. Oh God! It's sticking head. It's gonna hit. Oh Jesus! You almost made me. Oh gosh. Well, oh, got it. Yeah, give me up here, you little son of a gun. Watch him, he's like, I can get you. Oh, golly.
Dog seems like a puss.
Oh, golly. I'm just stick it there.
That one won't move. Move!
Oh, golly. Watch him. Oh, golly. Ooh.
Poke in the
Oh, God. He's trying to get me, I swear. Megan, he'll reach to the other barn and try to get you. This is the most fun we're having. Yeah! Yeah! Stick a chew. Get my finger! It's my finger! He's just gonna bite my nail off.
Probably.
It's like the weirdest sound I've ever heard.
Look, he's Butcher's cousin.
Megan, do your chicken dance. Do it. Do the chicken dance. You know you want to scream. She's terrified of chickens. She conquered your fear. You conquered your fear! It's okay. Dear child. Dear child. You're okay.
He was looking at me.
Dear child.
No.
Okay. You're okay. I promise. If you're scared of him, get away from him. I think he's like... I don't know if it's a he or she. I ain't getting in there. I don't want to get in there. Oh, look. There's the cows. You're making
me
her
to
mad.
stay away.
Audrey, she's like, da-da-da-da-da.
I think that's a dude.
Okay, yeah, I think it might be too. I don't know. Really?
It's coming towards me. They're coming towards me. They're coming towards me.
I think it would hurt. Oh, I'm gonna stick my shoe in there. Pick my shoe. Pick my shoe. Pick my shoe. Pick my Converse. Oh, Jesus. Pick. Ooh.
Stop anything.
Scares you now that my hand's in there, does it now? Oh, what you got? Oh, God. I'm fine. Let's say what you gonna do about it.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do when the chicken comes home?
Yeah, I didn't get that.
I didn't get it either.
No, I mean I didn't get it on tape. Like on video, I didn't point it towards you.
Pick my phone, pick my phone, pick my phone, pick my.
Oh golly!
No!
Megan!
Get away!
Megan! Oh, you owe me big time. I had to reach my hand in here. The chicken was about to peg your phone.
You'll see that it'll actually move.
Hey, chickens! Hey, chickens! Look here! Look at the phone! Look at the phone!
Yummy,
Oh,
yummy,
Jesus! Look at the phone.
Pick it, pick it,
Pick the phone! Pick the phone! Pick the phone!
pick it.
Pick the phone! Pick the flippin' phone! I'm scooted out towards you.
Cellular device.
Pick the cellular device. You can call your chicken friends with this phone. Oh, Jesus.
The chicken's.
Your dad's calling! Your dad's calling! Daddy! Tell him that your phone, you couldn't get it because it was stuck in the chicken coop.
Hello? Hey.
Tell him.
Sorry, I put my phone in a chicken coop and it fell by accident and the chickens pecked at it and it called you.
Yeah.
No, seriously, we were near a chicken coop.
Yeah, do you not hear him?
Am I gonna say another night?
Probably, I don't know. I don't know if you want to stay another night. We can have a bonfire tonight.
Yeah, we had a bonfire tonight.
Maybe I'll ask my mom.
Yeah.
Dude, I got my nails all dirty. Look at that dirt on my hand. That's what happens when you reach inside of a chicken coop.
What?
Golly.
Okay, shut up, Mariah.
What, Debbie? Let's see. You make another video later. Bye-bye.
Okay.